In our previous session, we have seen what is view, what is the purpose of view, what is strongly typed view, and everything about view. So it's time for us to implement view in our grocery store application. So I'm just opening Visual Studio. Inside views folder, let's create a new subfolder over here with name as grocery. And this subfolder naming convention has to match with the controller. See, we are creating the name with grocery, right? So it corresponds to grocery controller. That's what ASP.NET Core understands it. Okay, so inside this grocery folder, let's create a new file, that is by going to add new item, and here we are going to select ASP.NET Core Web, and here we are going to select Razor View, that is empty. Let's change this name to list list.cshtml and click on add button. So we got a basic view, that is a list.cshtml got created. Now there is one-on-one mapping between name of the action method and name of the view that will get returned. If you observe, what is the name of the inside our grocery controller, if you remember, here you can see that there is one-on-one mapping between the name of the action method. What is the name of action method inside our grocery controller? Name of action method is list method. And the same naming convention we are adding to the name of the view that will get returned. Here we are going to return a view, right? And that returned view, we are naming it as list.cshtml, which is similar to list action method. So that is where we have one-on-one mapping. Okay, like this. Now, how we can get access to list of groceries in view? That we can do by making use of @model directive. Okay, using @model directive and get the model from the grocery store. How we can get it? By using IEnumerable from grocery store dot models dot grocery. Okay, this is how we are getting access to the list of groceries in view by using @model directive. So next, let's write some basic HTML along with C Sharp, that is Razor code, to display on our web page. Okay, let's write HTML. Okay, and this HTML will have head, and let's have a title for it. Let's provide name as grocery store. Okay, and this will also have body. Inside our body, what we are going to provide is, let's write the Razor code over here that will loop over this IEnumerable, and let's access all the data over there by using Razor expressions. Okay, so let's loop over by making use of for each loop. Create a var of grocery in model. Okay, and using this, let's use Razor expressions to access the properties inside the model. Let's create div over here. Let's have a header, and here I'm going to access by using Razor expressions, that is @grocery dot name. Okay, and h3 @grocery dot price or toString of c. Okay, and similarly we can access the category as well by using @grocery dot category dot category name. Okay, that's it. So these are the changes which we have to do as part of our list view. Here, sorry, we have missed out a dot over here. Category dot category name. Right. Let's save these changes. Now we have created a subfolder inside views, and we named that subfolder as grocery, which corresponds to the grocery controller. And we have created a file inside that, that is C# HTML file, CS HTML file, by naming it as list.cshtml, and this list has one-to-one mapping convention with the view which we are going to return inside our grocery controller. This is the action method, right? The same name we are going to specify over here. Then by making use of @model directive, we are making use of this model inside our view. Okay, and we are iterating by making use of for each loop to get all the grocery details by using razor expressions. This is the razor code which we are writing inside our body, right? That is what the CSHTML means we are adding the razor code inside a HTML file. That is what C# HTML file means. Okay, so we have provided all this over here. Before we run this project, let's verify one more thing inside our startup.cs. So make sure inside startup.cs, the configure method, this is the configure method which we are passing over here, should have endpoint provided over here. By using map controller route, name and pattern, we are passing controller name, action method, and the ID. Okay, this is how we have to configure inside our configure method of startup.cs. So make sure you just verify before running the project. You just verify the endpoint over here. Okay, so once this is verified, we can run this project by clicking on this. Okay, so our project will get compiled now, and build got succeeded, got hosted on localhost colon 44361. Okay, but if you observe, we are not hosting onto our root environment, that is our root path. So we have to navigate to slash grocery slash list. Okay, here you can see the data which we provided as part of our grocery store application is getting rendered on our web page. This is very basic thing. We have not done any kind of styling, we have not created any kind of images, and we are not displaying any kind of like complex content over here. This is very simple HTML, and using razor code, we are using razor expressions to get the data from the model, and we are displaying on our web page. This is a very basic view which we are displaying over here. Going further, we'll make it more specific and more like viewable and more attractive. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, comment, and share this video. And kindly subscribe to my channel in order to watch more videos. Click on that bell icon so that you start receiving notifications whenever I'm uploading a new video.